Hey there, my name is Megan DeVito and I am the face behind 10,000 Swords Coaching, and I'm here today to talk to you about my brand new webinar that is coming out August 25th, August 26th, September 2nd, and September 3rd. I made it just for my friends out there who have teenagers who struggle with anxiety. So this is 35 years in the making and pretty much a culmination of everything that I learned in dealing with some really severe anxiety and panic attacks in my life, the methods, the tools, the systems that worked for me, put together in a way that I can show you how you can start to make peace with anxiety and live the life that you deserve to live. Nobody should be stuck in this cycle that just continues and drags us down further. So what I'm offering you is a free 1-hour webinar. All you have to do is go to www.10000swords.com/events and choose a time that works for you. And we'll get on and we'll start talking about different tools, different ways that you can start moving through anxious moments and settle down. Now, I'm not going to tell you this is a quick fix. And honestly, if anybody tells you that they have a quick instant fix for anxiety and panic, you shouldn't listen to them. That's not what I'm telling you. What I am telling you is that you can move through this. You can learn how to deal with panic attacks and stop them before they start. And you can get to the point where even that underlying anxiety, the kind that feels kind of like an alligator under the surface of the water, you have less days with that feeling and fewer until you realize that you're managing it and you're doing all those things that you've wanted to do for so long. You guys, I am so excited to be able to bring this to you. I hope that you will go over to www.10000swords.com/events. Choose a time that works for you. And then all you have to do is show up. This is a live webinar. We're gonna have a Q&A session so that you can ask all the questions that you have. And really, if we're being honest here, sometimes the hardest part is the first step. Sometimes the hardest thing is just showing up. And right now you're here and you've already done the hard stuff. One more step, and then one more step, and then you've got it. Thanks for watching, thanks for sharing, and I can't wait to see you in a live webinar coming up next week. Bye-bye.